Imagine a watch that not only tells time, but also saves lives. Introducing the Apple Watch Series 10, a monumental leap in wearable technology. With the largest and most advanced display yet, the Series 10 features a wide-angle OLED screen that's up to 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. The Apple Watch Series 10 is the thinnest version yet, featuring the biggest display so far. Comes in 46mm and 42mm options with either aluminum or titanium cases. Equipped with a wide-angle, always-on Retina display, offering up to 2000 nits of brightness and 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. Apple is committed to making a difference. Series 10 cases are made with 100% recycled aluminum or 95% recycled titanium, and you can configure any watch to be carbon neutral. Powered by the S10 SIP chip, features an innovative double-tap gesture for quick interactions. Precision finding helps locate the iPhone, equipped with an ECG app to monitor heart health. High and low heart rate notifications, along with a regular rhythm and low cardio fitness alerts. Features a blood oxygen app for tracking oxygen levels. Your health data is secure, staying on your device and encrypted when locked with a passcode, ensuring your privacy is always protected. Dive into your workouts with confidence. The new water temperature and depth sensors make Series 10 perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Life is unpredictable, but Apple Watch has your back. It can call emergency services and share your location if you take a hard fall or are in a severe car crash. Stay connected with Check-In, a feature that notifies someone when you arrive at your destination or finish a late-night run. Provides up to 18 hours of usage, with up to 36 hours in low power mode. Supports fast charging for quick battery boosts. Price starting from $309, the Apple Watch Series 10 is available for pre-order. Experience the future of wearable technology today. Thanks for watching. Here, we explore the latest in tech, review cutting-edge gear, and dive into the trends shaping our future. From smart devices to software innovations, we're breaking it all down for you. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's build the future together.